Hey folks, BlackCross and Dal Marr back with Kingdom Hearts 2.
Go on ahead.
Okay.
My bad.
Well, anyway, so last time we finally got started here in Agrabah, and yeah, just started in Agrabah.
But now we're gonna investigate the lamp that Sora has, because it may or may not be Jafar's lamp. Well, we know what it is, but if you don't know, we'll just keep it a surprise. Whoa, whoa! What the heck, Aladdin?
He took a lot of drugs.
What are they selling on the streets?
There we go. Alright then.
I was like, is Aladdin a game graphic glitch gremlin? Because, that's kind of terrifying. I mean, I know that's part of his attack move, but still.
Is there any way we can buy that lamp from you?
I am so sorry. This is gonna be offensive.
Oh, here we come.
Me.
Please.
Of course not! That is... if you can afford it!
No worries.
Yeah, we can pay you in one treasure!
Donald!
Huh? Might I be able to interest you in another fine lamp?
No, that's the one we need.
Ah, well, perhaps I can be persuaded. If you bring me a treasure beyond even my imagination, something say fit for a sultan.
Oh no.
Donald, you idiot.
The slip of the beak.
Thank you, come again.
Treasure? That could be tricky.
There's lots at the palace.
But that's not mine to take. And I can't ask. I don't want to worry Jasmine or the Sultan.
Hey, I know! What about the treasure in the Cave of Wonders?
Alrighty, Yago. You lead the way. And after we get the treasure, I might even believe your apology.
You can count on me!
Alright then. On to the front.
Yeah, there's multiple ways, so you take one or leave it.
Yeah.
I still feel bad for all these businesses, you know?
Well, we do have to deal with Heartless. Donald, what did you do to yourself?
What?
Donald did something.
I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that's right, there's just hidden everywhere! And you're not gonna get it.
Yep. Not possible.
You'll get it eventually. Just one crown little object at a time!
Does kind of make you wonder what Aladdin eats.
Well, hi! We haven't seen you since the Chain of Memories!
And yeah, you're even more a nuisance than you were back then.
Like, example A.
Oh, there's one right there.
Watch, that's gonna explode.
If I had fire, maybe.
Ah, crap.
Well, I just crushed them. Huh, looks like there was something over here, but I guess not.
Now we can finally grab that crown. Huzzah!
Yep. Don't worry. One day I will get you.
Well, we'll be coming back.
I know. And hopefully by then I'll be able to reach it.
And it's like, let's jump out of the Italian plumbers. Do it!
Good question. Ah, here's a chest. And there's another one.
Ooh, I wonder what it could be. Better not be a map. Better not be a map.
Skill ring.
Okay. We could take that. So, why do they put maps in the... You should at least... I don't know.
I don't know either.
Oh.
Damn, that's a lot.
Maybe you can give that to someone else?
Which one should I give it to?
Well, go to the abilities. The abilities. Let's see. Fantasia, Android. What does Goofy have? Teamwork. Give it a Goofy.
Give it a Goofy? Okay then.
Oh, he has ability ring.
We can always upsize it though.
Give that to Donald.
Alright then. Now we have it. Although I might want to change something up to where I can at least do this. And then Donald.
Not much.
There we go.
Okay. I think we got everything set.
Okay. Time to move on.
And hopefully the Cave of Wonders won't be a little pain in the butt.
Like last time?
Mm-hmm. Then again, it has shrunk. I love how
Either that or Pete's grown too big.
I like how Pete just like broke his neck to move so he doesn't hit the tongs of the Cave of Wonders. It's like
just thinking of that making me laugh right so badly.
Although it actually did hurt my neck a bit.
Treasure. There we go. Yeah, this area has gotten a lot smaller.
Which is good because I think... Didn't you have trouble with the Cave of Wonders at the playthrough?
In my level 1 challenge?
Yeah.
Quite a bit.
Yay!
Yeah, Pete's got way bigger.
Yay!
Wait, hold on.
What?
Oh, I thought I saw a crown up there. I'm like, how the frick would I get up there?
You just go on the lines names, but I know you can't do that in this one.
Yeah, see?
Unless there's like invisible platforms they decide to put in.
Oh, I would be so ticked. Be like, you mean to tell me there was a platform here this entire time?
And it was invisible, and the only way you could get it is by being level 45. Only level 45, so you can't, if you level up anymore, the platform won't be open to you. And you must have the Port Royal Keyblade with you, so you can attack it. Wow, I'm just making it a complicated puzzle.
Yeah, I'm trying to see how far you're willing to go for that joke.
I can go as far as I can!
Then keep going.
Okay, so, this is the secret to getting the secret super awesome treasure that lies on top of the Cave of Wonders head. And I just realized those blocks reminded me of Tetradromes from Tetris almost. Or just very weird blocks. But okay, so the treasure is the most important treasure of all. You need this to be able to say I've completed 100%. However, you have to complete some criteria. So firstly, there's a platform that's kind of like above knee-high that you could get analyze hit, but it's invisible. And you can't, if you jump on it, like right now, you just go through it. However, if you are level 45, have the Port Royal Keyblade equipped with you, and must have the magic spells Thunder, Reflect, and Blizzard, in that order with Hyper Potion in your shortcuts for a magic. And also you must do it with the internal clock of the PlayStation 2. Must reach it in the hours between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. and you could get the treasure.
Daggum, damn. Pacific details! You're a monster! Ow. No!
What the heck?
I saw myself dying.
Oh, and you must have a death counter of less than 12. Oh, and you want to know what the twist is? That secret trophy, or secret treasure, it's actually a potion!
This kid's trying to kill me. I'm glad you're enjoying yourself.
Oh, that's the most cryptic treasure in history. Oh. I had my fair share of fun.
Parry. I was about to say, I got you, but I didn't.
I fired, but I missed.
Oh gosh, Dale. That's fantastic.
This time you're gonna learn your lesson.
Maybe. Here now. Much better.
Now you just grab the crown.
Shouldn't be that hard, right?
Yep. Yay!
Got it. Actually, now that I think about it, let me check and see if I've got that completed now. Okay, maybe not.
Okay, what about the others?
1 second. Okay.
None. Oh, some.
Oh, I got a new one. Whoa!
Yay! The super extra hard one!
I forgot about that. I forgot they get harder.
Well, of course, it's not a puzzle if it's not easy. If it's not supposed to be, if you can't solve it.
I think it would be very hard, especially considering most people's cases, if it was like a 100-piece set. Can you imagine how long it would take and how close they would be at that screen for like a 30-inch?
It's like, this goes over here, I need glasses! Ah! Oh, okay.
He just grabs it.
You done screwed up now, son! Although, not really threatening yet.
Yet.
Ow.
There we go.
That was easy.
We almost died!
It was easy.
You make that sound so easy.
It was simple and clean. I'll see myself out now.
The classic joke. Oh, there's a save point. That helps. Alright then. Time to get going. Oh, this is always fun.
Complete the okay, activated.
Sorry, I didn't realize you were going to read it.
So, this is actually my favorite part of this world, just this challenge thing. Whee! Oh gosh!
I actually got it. I'm actually kind of proud of myself there.
I also love how the colors change in the background. I always like that.
Oh, get it, get it, get it, get it! Yeah!
Yeah, boy!
Here we go.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
I spin us right around, baby.
Oh gosh! Get it! Get it!
Damn it.
Oh well.
You do realize I'm gonna have to retry that now, right?
Well, you'll be level grinding, so
Yeah.
it's like, why do they keep doing that? That's not nice.
Let me look at it carefully so where I know where it's at exactly. And that way all I gotta do is just drop. Looks like it's at the exact center.
Middle.
Okay. I think we can do this. This one's gonna be a map, I can tell you.
I don't want to get no one map. Who puts a piece of paper in a giant chest?
The Egyptians?
Let's just get the crown.
There we go. I was wondering where it was. Okay, let's try this again. Well, damn it!
Move along, nothing to see here.
Gosh. Okay. This time for sure.
Whee! Oh boy. Here comes... Oh wait, no, not yet.
Yeah, we still got one more.
Okay, now concentrate, boy! Where is it?
Got it! Gotcha. And we're at max.
See, this is the reason why I'm not a completionist, because It's really stressful to see. I must get, even if it's the last thing I do.
That's a lot. That's a lot of treasures. Now that's the treasure.
There, that one should do it.
How is it that Pete got behind him when he was in front of us?
Actually, that's a good point, but then again, he probably was fixing his neck. It's like, oh! Oh!
Great, now let's go get that lamp.
Who said that?
Are bottled up, or he's gonna destroy Agrabah.
Oh no.
Snap out of it, Donald.
What the heck kind of snapping sound is that?
Good question.
How does that work?
Well, he is a tune.
Yeah, but... Well, because, Donald, you're so greedy, just like Squishward Duck. It passes down to the family! Whoa, I did not like that. That scared me.
This is perfect.
They're just having fun slipping and sliding. Oh, level 3.
Look at how many Heartless there are.
So many little Heartlesses.
How is it you're still alive?
Oh, why didn't we wait till later?
Oh no! No, no!
Well, Donald's cooked. Oh, yes!
Our gooses will be cooked too in just a little bit!
Seriously, why do that to the MP gauge? It's stupid!
Okay, that's one.
Oh, not this crap again.
There we go.
And Donald just died again. Oh, wait, no, he's just going into a tantrum.
Whew, that was close. I thought we were dead.
Let's go.
Abu, we're going, Abu, we're going.
Hasta la vista, monkey.
Hello?
Stop your whining and hand it over.
Oh no, I'm saving it for treasure. This lamp is going to bring me riches.
Oh, no, you don't know.
Well, hello everyone. You decided to follow us from the Cave of Wonders.
Yay, that was a lovely tourist attraction. Seriously, Aladdin, what are you eating? What are you freaking? Just. Oh gosh! Hi, fellas. Nope, nope, nope. Woo!
Ow. Also, I'm noticing that Aladdin's giving us MP balls!
Sorry, I don't know why I thought that was funny.
The fact that I said balls out loud or what?
No, I don't know. It was funny. Yes, we get it. You can breathe fire. Please use something else.
There. Gosh, that is so annoying.
It's getting more. Oh, why did I have to change it?
Ouch, this is really hurting right now. Okay, here's an idea. You're kidding me.
He's dead. Donald is a dead goose.
Okay. Gosh. That was a little excessive.
Now, are we ready to, fight?
Now we are.
Yay, we're gonna beat up someone! Or someone's plural.
It's just, if I'm going to go into a boss, I'm going to come in ready.
Thank you.
This is actually funny. He took way too long to notice that.
Lamp hog,
Go away!
gotcha.
Not fair!
I win.
I love his look.
Oh,
Nice one, Iago! Way to go!
Don't drop it!
Look! Behind ya!
That worked.
You're
Iago, you had one job!
You're dead. You're straight up dead.
nice try, bird brain. Just wait till Jafar's free. He's gonna make one.
Although that lamp now looks like a teacup.
It does, compared to, what's going on?
Jimmy!
Oh, look who's here!
I'm home.
Ow! It's been eons! Ah, you princely little muffin, you! Cosmic travel can get so lonely without a friend. To think I left you forlorn and genieless. Oh, the humanity!
Genie?
Hey, Al, have you been putting on weight? Oh, of course. What am I saying? You're living at the palace now. Aladdin, Jasmine. I can just picture it. Wait, tell me, am I being a pest? Just a big blue pest? Oh, who cares, Al? I'm just so glad to see you.
Genie?
He had the look of like, then who's he?
To make a fool out of me.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Time for Plan B. I'm finishing you mugs off right now.
And he just broke me. Oh, now okay. Now he caused fire and broke the sewer pipe. Isn't that just lovely?
Yep. And we're about to cause some damage too.
Yeah. I do like this boss fight. It's pretty creative.
It is. Using each of them for their elemental weakness.
Oh! Jeez, I hate it when the game does that. Makes me worried that's gonna crash.
Say bye-bye. I'm trying to lock onto the... There we go. Well, that works. Say bye-bye!
One down, one more to go. Heal yourself. There you go.
There we go, that's what I was trying to do. And bye-bye.
I need to safely on the ground before the big kaboom. The kaboom. The kaboom.
There we go. That's a rather big heart right there.
Yeah.
You messed with me for the last time. I'm gonna get you yet.
Says the man who runs away from us.
All right.
Ah, there's Carpet.
Bit late, but better late than never. You think that's gonna keep the lamp hidden? You know, you could like dug it or something. You
I
know?
think that's in the palace dungeon.
Yeah, but still, like you could have like just dug it somewhere, and no one ever find it. Put it in a chest, lock it up, throw the key away, throw in the hole, dig it. I'm thinking too far away, am I?
You're trying.
I promise you won't forget giving me enough for chance. Honest.
Princess Jasmine. You sure you want that pigeon in the coop?
Oh, I think Iago shows that he means well.
Sure. You're probably right. And how much trouble can one nosy bird cause? You just might have a point there, kid.
What happens next, Sora?
Well, it was great seeing you all, but we still need to find Riku and the king. I guess we'll be moving on. I hope you'll find them. Me too.
Hey, wait a minute, what?
He ran off to our town looking for a boo, but he should be back by now.
I can't miss Sora's big farewell party. I'll have him back in a jiffy.
Oh, boo! Catch him!
Oh, that's ridiculous.
He must have secretly stolen it from the Cave of Wonders.
How did a monkey steal? I don't want to know.
I guess some things are just hard to resist.
Yay, Donna secretly had a grenade bomb this entire time.
Oh, that would have been funny. He pulled it out, like,
Oh, I guess it got stuck. Uh-oh.
Kaboom!
oh gosh.
That's the twist end into Kingdom Hearts 2. You don't understand?
Sora? What is it?
I think it's time for us to go.
Will you be back?
We will. I promise.
Yay! We got the lamp charm!
Now we can have Genie as our party.
Yep, he's actually the better summon in this game when you think about it.
Yeah. But that's completed Agribah. Oh, what's this? What are we watching? What is this?
Oh, more cutscenes!
Oh, Pluto! Hi, Pluto.
And then there's Axel.
How the heck did Pluto get in there?
King Mickey or Riku?
Shut up, you. I'm still not used to that spray machine. I don't know if they can hear it or not.
They can.
Okay.
I'm sure some people will probably be like, what is that noise?
Maybe waiting isn't good enough.
My thoughts exactly. If you have a dream, don't wait. Act. One of life's little rules. Got it memorized?
Who are you?
Axel. I happen to be an acquaintance of Sora's. Why don't we go see?
You're like,
How about in an indirect way with a person who happens to be in for a dog? Hi guys! I'm Dusk.
We've got something in common, Kyrie. You and I both miss someone we care about. Hey, I feel like we're friends already.
You're like a creepy stalker.
yeah, the way Axel smiles back there is kind of like that weird Joker
La
smile.
la di da la da di da. Sorry, I promise I won't do that. Tell him that later on.
Oh god, that's funny.
I've been watching too much SMG4. But it makes me laugh, so.
Hey, what is this place?
You okay?
Well, that was an awkward transition. She goes through a portal, and then she all of a sudden lays grounded in the hideout.
You and that dog came flying out of a hole in the wall. You nearly gave us heart attacks.
And Pluto's just like that, just happy. It's like, I did a good thing. Is there another cutscene? Okay, we completed Agni Bar Act 1.
Yep. And Twilight Town's available.
Look at there! Twilight Town! Yep, I can see it. It's back again.
Yeah, but we'll go there later on. So, anyway, though, that's going to be it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, this is BlackCross and Dal Marr signing off.
Goodbye!
Take care, guys.